Hello dear students, so our next question is the RBC deficiency is deficiency disease of, okay. Basically student, we know that RBC deficiency is known as anemia, okay. So anemia is a disease which is caused by RBC deficiency, okay, and this deficiency disease of vitamin B12. So option 4 is the correct answer. Basically this is a memory based question, this is not the conceptual question, so option 4 is the correct answer. Thank you. Hello dear students, so our question is identify the compound that will react with Hinsberg's reagent to give a solid which dissolves in alkali, okay. Student, we know that this is the compound, this is Hinsberg reagent, okay, this is Hinsberg reagent, okay. This is sulfonyl chloride, benzene sulfonyl chloride is known as Hinsberg reagent, and when this Hinsberg reagent will react with the primary amine, then here what happen, this nitrogen atom is having lone pair, it will attack to the electrophilic side and this Cl minus will leave and we will get here this compound. This is S double bond O, NH R, okay. So you can see that this compound is contain this acidic hydrogen, okay. So when this compound will react with the alkali, that means basic medium, so this OH minus, this basic medium will trap this hydrogen and water molecule will leave, okay. So basically what happened here, because this compound is contain acidic hydrogen, that's why this solid is dissolves in alkali, this solid is soluble into the alkali, right. So basically here that amine should be contained, this amine should be 1 degree amine, primary amine, then it will react to the Hinsberg reagent and it will give us the solid which is dissolves in alkali, okay. Now into the option 1, this is the secondary amine. Into the option 2 you can see that this is 1 degree amine. Into the option 3, this is the 3 degree amine, okay, and this is the nitroalkane group. Nitroalkane group does not react to the Hinsberg reagent in any case, okay. So that's why here option 2 is the correct answer, because 1 degree amine will react to the Hinsberg reagent and form the solid which is dissolves into the alkali, okay. So option 2 is the correct answer. Thank you.
Hello student, this question is asking among the following alkaline earth metal halide, one which is covalent and soluble in organic solvent like dissolve like. So student, you know that beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium, these are the alkaline earth metal, but beryllium shows here the anomalous behavior. As far as the halide of beryllium is concerned, for example BCl2, this is what? Covalent. This is what the covalent. So strontium chloride ionic, magnesium chloride ionic, beryllium chloride, this is going to be what? The covalent, okay. Calcium chloride ionic. According to Fazan's rule, according to which rule? Fazan's rule, we can say that size of B plus 2 is going to be what? The smallest among all, B plus 2, so it will more polarize here the anion chloride. Because of that the covalent properties will be developed. So we can say that here beryllium chloride is going to be covalent and is having here the polymeric structure in the solid phase and it forms the dimer in the vapor state. Clear? So third option is going to be perfect here, covalent and soluble in the organic, because this is covalent, so it is soluble in the organic solvent. Third option is your answer. Thank you.
Hello dear students, so our next question is the correct structure of 2,6-dimethyl DAC4-ene, okay. So into the IUPAC naming of the given compound, you can see that here DAC is present, that means that compound is having the 10 carbon atom, okay. So you can see we can make this DAC like this, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and this is 10, okay. So this compound is also contain the 10 carbon atom, you can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, okay. Now the next is here 2,6-dimethyl, okay. So at the second position we have this 2, then 3 4 5 6 dimethyl DAC4-ene, that means at the fourth position this compound is contain the double bond, okay. So here 1 2 3 4. Okay, students. So now, students, you can see this is the structure of 2,6-dimethyl DEC-4E, and you can see that it is matched with the fourth option. 1, 2, 3. At the fourth position, this is contained the double bond. At the second position, we have this methyl group. 5, 6. At the sixth position, we have again methyl group, and it is contained 7, 8, 9, 10 carbon atom in the principal carbon chain. Okay, so option 4 is the correct answer. This is the correct structure of these following IUPAC naming compound. Thank you.
Well, students, let's have a look at the question. The question is the correct option for the number of body-centered unit cell in all 14 types of Bravais lattice unit cell. Well, the question came directly from the solid state part, and more of a theoretical question came this time. Okay, so we have been given that we all know that there are 14 types of Bravais lattice. So, in how the body-centered unit cell is present, the correct option for the number of body-centered unit cell in all 14 types of Bravais lattice. So what is the number of body-centered unit cell? Now see, have a look at it, students. In cubic arrangement, in cubic we have primitive, body-centered as well as face-centered. This is the case of cubic. So in cubic we are having a body-centered arrangement. Well, if I just come to tetragonal, so in tetragonal we are having one primitive and one body centered. So in this also we are having a body centered arrangement in this. Okay, let's move to the next case in orthorhombic. Well, in orthorhombic all the 4 type of arrangement are over here. This is primitive, body centered, face centered as well as end centered is also present in this particular case. So we are having body centered in this. Well, rest the 7 type of unit lattice, that is monoclinic, triclinic, hexagonal, all these, the rest of the 4 that are left are each and every one is having the primitive, and in monoclinic we are having primitive plus end centered, but not the body centered. The body centered are present in these 3 only, that is cubic, tetragonal and orthorhombic. So we are only having 3 types of arrangement for this. So the correct answer is option number 3 for this, and I hope you understood it. Thank you.